What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another Let's Check It Out with Sergio J. Of course, I am Sergio J, and on today's video, I am going to be showing you how I created these pants. Well, how I tie-dye bleached these pants. Just watch the video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Let's Check It Out with Sergio J. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how this is gonna be like a trial and error thing because I haven't really tried it. So I was thinking about how I did the tie-dye shirt, and I kind of wanted to do it to one of my pants, and I wasn't sure what pants I wanted to do them to. So I found these old jeans that I had. I still wear them. I wear them for work. They used to be black at one point, but right now they're just like plain dark gray, I'm sorry. And so I distressed them a little bit. I got a knife and I did some what do you call it? I got a knife and I just like kind of scratched over the edge with the blade, just to create this distressed look. I did it on the back of the legs, on the front of them. I did this right here, one on the other side, and some over here. So if you remember how I did the tie-dye shirt, I soaked it. I first soaked it in water, and I already soaked the jeans in water, not all the way through. The top half of the jeans are not wet. Only the bottom, the leggings part of the pants are soaked. And so I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna find out together. I'm not sure how I want to do this pattern here, because if you remember on the shirt, all I did was twist it, like got a middle part and I twisted it, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work the same with the jeans. And so what I want to do is, sorry, there's flies around here. Let's see if this works. So, and we could do both leggings like differently. I think I'm gonna do them both differently just to see how it comes out. If it works, it works. If it didn't, well, like I said, trial and error, and we'll see how they come out. Honestly, so right here with the shirt, I guess because the shirt, the texture of the cloth for a t-shirt is a little bit different than jeans. Well, jeans are a little bit rugged, a little bit more harder. I already got my gloves. This time I came prepared with everything I need, so I won't have to be doing no cuts. Put these on. I have the rubber bands right here, and see, I twisted it, and I already got this little the rosette pattern that I want right here, and it looks so much better on the back, if you can see. So let me just turn it a little bit more. I want to really get the little rosette pattern going, and the rosette pattern, it just by doing this, it just gives does the swirl. So you remember the shirt, it had swirl, like going like from the middle, going like all the way around the shirt. So if this comes out like I'm hoping it does, we'll see. Maybe it won't come out the way I want it to. I don't know. Use another rubber band, but I don't think I brought enough rubber bands because I'm thinking I'm gonna end up using all the ones I brought just for this side, this leg side. All right. I mean, I have more. I just have to go get them. Yeah, there's no rosette here, so it might end up looking a little bit different. We'll see. Yeah, I've been on a DIY craze, I guess you could kind of say. I've been thinking of what else I can tie-dye or what else I can make. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, the rosette didn't stay in place, so it's gonna be a little bit different. We'll see what pattern comes out actually. Let's see. So it's kind of a rosette, not really, but we'll see what, like I said, we'll see what pattern comes out. Alright, so I'm gonna wait. The wind is blowing, so I don't want it to end up all over the pants. Let's see. Wind is blowing, so it's blowing that way. Whoa, I can already see the color changing. And if you're sensitive to the smell of Clorox, you might want to wear a face mask. It's a little bit strong. At this point, I'm wondering if my husband changed it. No, it's bleach. Wow, I'm liking what color it's changing to. So I'm gonna go get more rubber bands and I'll be right back so we can do the other side. I just noticed that the top of my head is cut off, and I'm sorry about that, but the camera, if I move it any closer, it doesn't get the whole table and you can't see what I'm doing. If I move it any farther, I'm too far to where you won't be able to see what I'm doing. I don't know, but I like how this is looking. I almost want to add more bleach so it could be different. Wow. Okay. Alright, so on the other legging, I almost just want to crunch it up like this. And I'm wondering how far I can go with it, just so the dye will go up on each leg almost the same length. Like right there maybe? Hold on. Hopefully I don't have bleach on my gloves. There we go. Yeah, that looks about right. And then almost wish I had a clip so I can just clip them on like that. I don't think I have one. Alright, so let me move this out of the way. Hopefully I'm still in the frame. Yes, I am. And now the reason I wanted to do this DIY on a longer video, because I actually wanted to show you and explain to you as I'm doing it, rather than doing the B-roll and just explaining it. Because on the 2-minute Tuesday, well, I only have 2 minutes to explain everything to you guys, and so I wanted to show you as I'm doing it and explain it as I'm doing it. Wait, explain it? You know what I mean. So let's see, I did like a little accordion, like a zigzag, and as I folded the leg, since I don't have a clamp, I I kind of did this. I wish I could bring the camera closer so you guys could see. Look how this looks, you guys. I kind of loving how it's looking. I'm just gonna flip it around because this side could use a little bit more bleach, and there's some bleach on the table, so I'm just gonna press down on whatever's on here so I can soak that up. And I'm holding it up from over here because I noticed that it's starting to like streak up the leg. I'm not hating it, but I just don't want it to go too far up. Alright, so I'm wondering if I should, I think that should be good. Let's just spray this baby right here. And I'm thinking from how fast this the color is changing. Look how fast it's changing. Look, I'm not sure if the camera's catching it, but watch, let me show you on the other side. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pick it up as soon as I put the bottle down, and you can see how fast the color is changing. So just from what I'm seeing, I think on the shirt, when I did the shirt, okay, so when I did the shirt, I left it outside for, I want to say from 3 to 4 hours, and during that time I came outside and I kept flipping it over because this is just changing color so fast. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about that with the jeans. I'll probably do like 2 hours maybe, or an hour and a half, just because I already like how this looks right here. So I could stop the color changing at that point, but we'll see how this comes out. So I'm gonna spray more Clorox on it, just so I could kind of get to the same color that this is already at. And I'm gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna actually gonna wipe it with the bleach that's already on the table. So not that I don't want to waste any more bleach, but there's a lot of it on the table. If you kind of see today, I have a clip-on microphone because since the camera is a little bit farther than usual, I wasn't sure if the microphone on the camera would get what I'm saying. So I'm using a clip-on microphone that's hooked up to my phone, and my phone is recording the sound. And then when I do the editing, I'll just transfer the sound from my phone to the image that you guys are seeing. And I apologize for the extra sound. I don't know what my neighbors are doing out front. But wow, I love how it's looking. Wow. I almost want to flip it to this side and spray more bleach on it. And then this side. Wow. Okay. I love how it's coming out. So we're gonna wait for about, I'm gonna say 45 minutes. We'll come around and we'll come back outside, flip them over, and then do that one more time, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm losing daylight. As you can see, the sunset is setting behind me, and it's been an hour and a half, And I'm actually gonna stop it here because well, like I said, I'm losing daylight and I'm not sure how this well, I'm not gonna have light to keep recording, so I just want to finish the video now. And wow, okay, I don't want to lay it there, but I'm gonna take off the rubber bands and see what we get. So what do you guys think? I think it looks really good. I don't want to lay it on the table because there's Clorox in it, but I think it looks pretty good. What side do you guys prefer? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what side I like best. This side or this side. The little swirl, like the little windmill or like swirl didn't come out as good, so it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, but I am really pleased with the outcome. Now we're just gonna throw them in the washer and dry them and then try them on. Alright guys, so as you saw in the intro, these are the pants, and I hope you guys like how they turned out. I hope you guys try it, and I really love how they came out. Honestly, I am very pleased with how they look. Alright, so what I did before I threw it in the washer, I sprayed the pants with a little bit more bleach, just all the way up. So I mean, you could barely see it, but they're like little splats of color. I love it. I love the pants. I love how they came out, and I know I owe you guys another face paint video, and I'm sorry, don't give up on me just yet. It's coming. Just hopefully next week. Hopefully. All right guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.